Hi guys, what's up you all? Good morning. This is Saturday today and I just decided that I haven't been doing any vlogs after my vaccination vlog. I haven't been vlogging, so I thought, okay, let's do a weekend vlog. I do have a set list of things to do this weekend, so I thought it would be a little bit fun for you all to just see what's happening in my life. Currently it's 9:15, okay, and I just had my shower. Today was my hair wash day, also because today is a shoot day and I have a jam-packed day. बहुत सारा shoot करना है आज. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Right now my morning skincare is done. My skin is glowing, baby, but yeah, but we are gonna go and have our breakfast. Let's see, let's go. I'm gonna take you guys along with whatever is happening in my day today, so stay tuned. Breakfast is done and now bolo na chupki. Now we're doing bolo jaldi bolo kya bolo. Now we're doing bartan kitchen duties. I have exactly half an hour before my tuition student comes, so I'm gonna wash the dishes right now and पूरे बर्तन धुलने चाहिए तो पूरे ही धोती हूँ मैं रोज.
कढ़ाई लोहे की, इसमें सब्जी बनी है जो उठा के रख देगी.
Eventually.
Disgusting.
Okay, nails done. So this is some kind of shoot preps that we do before, you know, starting the shoot. For example, straightening up my hair, that I'm gonna do afterwards because it's still not air dried yet and it's a little bit wet. But doing your nails, making sure that you have no facial hair because I'm gonna be doing makeup videos, and grooming your brows, doing your hair. It takes a lot of time. Like, you see the perfect picture of us on the camera, but in reality it literally took us 2 hours to do all that pre-prep even before starting the makeup. So that's a lot of work, and now I'm gonna just sit and make some notes for my YouTube video today, and after then I'm gonna do my tuition and see you guys afterwards. Formal communication. Hi guys, too much light happening around, but tuition मैंने पढ़ा लिया and now I have to shoot. I had this jam-packed day full of shoot, but I just feel so sleepy right now. I don't know why. I just feel like napping off. It's 12 बजने वाले हैं and I feel like मुझे सो जाना चाहिए. I don't want to shoot. Also, my mother's cooler is on. Some construction is happening around, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to control the audio part of it, but we'll see. But anyways, I just saw this really scary thing on TikTok. Like, if you press your lips like this and you smile, you're gonna look scary. So we are just going to try that on camera right now. Okay, so okay. That was scary. That was scary. I don't know, I look like some clown, but I'm gonna just go and straighten my hair. अगर मुझे तब भी नींद आ रही हुई तो then I'll sleep. Okay, you guys, hair have been straightened. That's the kind of straightened effect that I like, you know, not like pinpointy straight, but like having a straight texture. But I'm telling you, I feel so sleepy right now. I don't know. I'm wondering, अगर मैं नहीं सोऊंगी ना तो फिर मेरे सर दर्द हो जाएगा. Like, towards the end of the day, my head is going to be heavy and I won't be able to function. So is it good to sleep for an hour or so, or The lighting is just so perfect. It's 12 and this is the perfect amount of lighting that I've been needing for my videos. So I'm just a little bit confused, but I think that I should sleep. I'll let you all know.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, I am back. It is what? It is currently 6:27. Okay, we are meeting almost after 4 to 5 hours. So like I said, I really wanted to nap, so I slept around 12:30 and I woke up at 2:30. It wasn't a nap, I just slept for too long. After then, when I woke up for half an hour, I was just catching up with what has happened with me for the past 2 hours. I had calls, notifications and so much, so I just checked my Instagram mails and all of that stuff. Not that I'm such a busy person, but आज seriously वो 2 घंटों में काफ़ी कुछ हो गया था मेरी life में. So I checked upon that and then I sat to do some GST work for my mama ji. And it took quite a lot of time. 1-1.5 घंटा लग गया. Then I had my very late lunch. I had namkeen chawal, and after that I finally made up my mind that okay, I should shoot because today was a shoot day and I don't want to bump it. And the lighting was okay. I started around 5:30. Abhi 1 घंटा लगा के I've done this makeup look. I was actually shooting this makeup look, that's why it took me so long. So yeah, now I've shot the video. The YouTube video that I want to shoot, I will be shooting it in my like room light only, so I'm not really worried about that. The main thing that I was worried about was my makeup look, and the train is here. Every time I have to vlog, train has to come. Also, just to give you guys a little bit of a close-up, that's how my makeup looks today. Again, I think this makeup is really inspired by that quirky miss. She does this kind of eye look all the time. I just made sure that मैं थोड़ा सा bright pink use करूँ compared to a muted pink. The kurti I'm wearing is also pink, but I don't know, on camera it looks a little bit reddish pink. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go and shoot my YouTube video and I'll see you after that. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2. Today is Sunday. I know I'm a bad vlogger. Please don't exaggerate it. Okay, I get it. So yesterday after shooting, it got pretty late. 7-8 बज गए थे. I shot a YouTube video and then which was a complete hustle because इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी and no fan, ऊपर से दरवाजे बंद. I was just बहुत गर्मी हो गई थी. Yeah, उसके बाद डिनर भी बहुत सादा था. I really wanted to make pasta, but my dad was गुस्सा कि रोज़ मैदा खा रही है, पागल हो जाएगी. Stop eating this, eat your like normal सब्जी रोटी. So I had to have that, and just for the context, घिया बनी थी रात को. So yeah, anyways, that is my life. So today I woke up pretty late, 7:30, 8ish के around, which is very late for my standards. So yeah, मैं late हो गई थी. And then today my house duty was to do the jharu pocha, cleaning, mopping. That I'm done with. That's why I look so sweaty. So right now I just want to focus on getting ready on time because today I think we're going to Monika's place, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, when I go there I might take you along. That is the plan. Okay, so yeah, bye. Quick update. Can you guys see I'm literally sweating? So I thought कि मैं नहाने तो जा ही रही हूँ and I'm already very sweaty, so why not do a workout? So I worked out after like weeks and it was just a 10-15 minutes workout, but I'm sweating so badly right now. I just want to run into my shower, so I'm gonna go take a shower. And अभी तक breakfast का कोई अता पता नहीं है, and it is almost time that my tuition student comes over. So we'll see because mom and dad are also busy. Do I have muscles? Because mom and dad are also doing like some deep cleaning stuff. तो देखते हैं क्या बनता है आज. I'm just so tired. Okay guys, so oh my god, lighting. Okay, so my skincare is done. the lighting is too harsh right now. So skincare done, shower done, workout done, home chores done, but the only thing that I'm not done with is my breakfast, and I literally have no time. I have my class right now. I have to take a class, so I was thinking I should make some cold coffee for myself so that I'm a little awake, and maybe I'll make some popcorn. So let's go make that. Okay guys, so I'm feeling a little bit unhealthy today. Yeah, unhealthy. So I'm gonna be adding this Amul chocolate syrup to my cold coffee, and this is the first time that I'm gonna be adding a chocolate syrup to a cold coffee. So let's see how it's gonna taste. Okay, so here's my beautiful cold coffee, and let me just add some chocolate. Oh my god, it looks delicious. Can you guys see? Delicious. It looks I know how to pronounce delicious. I'm just saying it delicious. Keep it back. Okay, let's hide dustbin. But let's do a. Yeah, it's better. समझ नहीं आया. Yeah, I can definitely feel a little bit of chocolatey flavor. Coffee and chocolate go very well together, so it's good. I'm gonna finish this up, and I don't know, my tuition student I क्यों है अभी. Okay, let me just finish it. So quick outfit change. Did my hair, a high ponytail. I'm gonna show you my outfit later, but right now we're about to leave for Monica's place. I still have some time, so I thought let me just fix my face. I look like I don't know what. And welcome train. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm thinking let's do some concealer. I am going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD plus this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Both of these are very good concealers. I'm going to use my concealer brush to blend out my concealer, and I think I'll just put on some liquid blush, some brown kajal thingy, and a little bit of lipstick. Yeah, that's the plan. So फटाफट कर लेते हैं. Okay, let's do it quick. काफ़ी शोर मच होगा मेरे घर में. I have a few. इधर से मेरी अब scarring रह नहीं गई है. My skin has, recovered. Yeah, this is the trick. Whenever you are blending something जहाँ पे आपकी skin इकट्ठी है, just pop it out. Okay, so here, then underneath my eyes. मेरा कल का काजल अभी तक लगा हुआ है. Not bad. Actually didn't do any skin prep. मेरी सुबह वाली skin care रखी थी, but I think that was good. ऊपर से it's so गर्मी, so हमें humidity के हिसाब से मेकअप करना है. Okay, now so what I do is that once I'm done with my brush, I just go and using my fingers just to smoothen it out a little bit more. Your fingers are going to give you the ultimate coverage and nice finish. Okay, Monica is calling me. My baby. Hello. Bro, हम आधे घंटे लेट आएंगे क्योंकि विकास के चाचा चाची इसके घर आए हैं, तो हम इकट्ठे आने की सोच रहे हैं. Going in with the second concealer just to brighten up my face a little bit. बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा लगाएंगे हम नीचे को. And because I'm not going in with the foundation, that's why I'm using two concealers, and I'm going to be using a damn beauty blender. I just realized brush is not working for me today. ओके नेक्स्ट थिंग, मैंने ना अपना फेस बस थोड़ा सा लूज पाउडर से सेट कर लिया एंड द कूलर इज़ ऑन, तो इसलिए वो नॉइस आएगी. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग दिस लिप एंड चीक टिंट, अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम जस्ट हर्ब्स या एंड आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग अ ब्रश, यू नो, जस्ट टैप टैप टैप. ज़्यादा स्वर्ल नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट आ जाएगा. सो जस्ट टैप 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 and again on your face. Let's go tap 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 tap. Okay, so the thing with the liquid blushes that I really like is that इनकी staying power अच्छी होती है compared to your powder blushes. Powder blushes बहुत जल्दी आपके face से उड़ जाते हैं, जबकि cream blushes I think they stay for a good amount of time and you can also like double log कि आप पहले एक cream blush लगा लो and इसके ऊपर आप powder blush लगा लो. But this is like a semi blush, बहुत ज़्यादा cream भी नहीं है, तो that's why I like it. Time goes on, I know I'm very what do you call it, clumsy when it comes to doing my makeup for actually going out. मैं videos में तो बहुत perfectly करती हूँ, like catfishing 101. And this is my contouring, this is my contour brush. It's a very, you know, fluffy brush, but I really like it. I'll tell you why. Because it's a bronzing बहुत अच्छी होती है. So just taking Sugar's palette, this palette, and इसका bronzer shade में थोड़ा सा ले रही हूँ. Just going to do and बहुत ही lightly I'm going to just warm up my face, बिल्कुल lightly, कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं, because this is a real life makeup look and we don't want to cake our faces. So बिल्कुल ही हल्का हल्का. I'm gonna see you guys later because अभी काफ़ी late हो रहा है. I don't want to spend so much time just doing my makeup, so I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm ready and I'm just waiting for the guys to pick me up. So for lipstick I went with a very 90s vibe dark lip liner and a very nude lipstick, and this matches the color of my palazzo. Today I'm dressed completely like a, you know, 30-year-old woman who's like, you know, very mature, knows what to do. Totally skipping jeans and it's a kurta with some palazzos. Oh my god, बाद में दिखाऊंगी मैं अपना outfit, but that's how I look. This is the bag that I'm carrying, my statement white bag, and yeah, and I'm gonna go and make some Instagram stories because I look good. So hi guys, so quick update. As you can see, I'm in the car. We are going at Monica's place and Monica's called me ki limca leke aana. So we're gonna go there, and while we're on our way I am editing my video. It's probably not visible, but I'm editing my video. And Vikas came super late. We are almost an hour late and I just hate this person. That's why I'm a little bit super pissed. Here's the guy. This guy was late today. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
इसे पकड़ ले.
अरे बहुत छोटी वाली लिम्का.
इससे बड़ी नहीं है. मेरे पास पैसे. गरीब हूँ.
गरीबी देख रहे हो आप लोग? यार मुझे किसी लड़की का टॉप मिला यहाँ पे. Who's this lime green neon top? किसका है? Do you have a girlfriend?
हाँ.
Who's that?
किस का नाम लो?
Oh. अब हमें घर मिल गया. हाय ब्रो, यहीं से हेलो कर ले.
ये एक मिनट.
हेलो ब्रो.
हाय मिस्टर.
कहाँ पे है हमारा घर?
इधर.
अच्छा चलो यार.
हाय गाइस. हाय.
आपने कहा मैं कवर कब वापस करूँगा?
हैं?
कवर कब वापस करूँगा?
नहीं, मैं एक बार जो चीज़ मेरी हो जाती है फिर वो मैं किसी और को वापस कर
चलो चलो. टनननननन टननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननननन
तू पता चले तू ही किचन में जा रहा है बना के
हाँ
खिला
बताता हूँ कौन जा रहा है किचन में। आजा हाँ वैम भी खा लेंगे।
Yes, we are very tired right now because we had a blast dancing.
Yes.
Monica forced us all to dance. बेब आपने आज जो हमें नचाया है,
हाय ब्रो,
बोली कुछ.
तुम लोग मुझसे क्लासेस लेना चाहो डांस करने की तो तुम ले सकते हो.
Monica is in a full-on savage mood today and काफी मजा आया. Now we'll go home.
आज मतलब यार हमने कितने टाइम बाद मतलब इस तरीके का डांस किया. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक सो कि
हमने क्लब में इतना खुल के डांस नहीं किया.
क्लब गए कितने हो तुम लोग?
2-3 बार तो गए हम यार.
तभी नहीं गए यार. हमने आज क्लब वाली फील ली है. तो बहुत मजा आया.